Are you considering immigrating to Canada? Well, one of the most crucial aspects of the Canadian immigration process is ensuring that you have all the necessary documents in order. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So, what documents are required for Canadian immigration? The exact documents required may vary depending on the type of immigration program you are applying for. In this video, we will dive into the key documents required for Canadian immigration, providing you with a comprehensive guide to help make your journey smoother and more successful. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Understanding the document checklist. Before delving into the specific documents you need, it's essential to understand the purpose of the document checklist. The Canadian government requires applicants to submit various supporting documents to demonstrate their eligibility for immigration. These documents serve as evidence of your qualifications, work experience, education, and personal details. By carefully reviewing and gathering these documents, you can establish your credibility and increase your chances of a successful immigration application. Some general documents that are commonly required include 1. Passport. The cornerstone of your immigration application is a valid passport is required to enter Canada. Please make sure that your passport meets the minimum validity requirements and includes all necessary information. 2. Letter of acceptance. If you are immigrating to Canada for educational purposes, you will need a letter of acceptance from a designated learning institution. This letter serves as proof that you have been accepted into an eligible program. 3. Educational documents. Depending on your immigration category, you will generally need to provide educational documents such as diplomas, degrees, or certificates. These documents should be validated or notarized to verify their authenticity. 4. Language proficiency test results. To demonstrate your language proficiency, you may need to provide test results from recognized language tests such as IELTS or CLPIP. These results showcase your ability to communicate effectively in English or French, Canada's official languages. 5. Job offer letters. If you have secured a job in Canada, including a job offer letter can strengthen your application by demonstrating your employment prospects and contribution to the Canadian economy. 6. Work experience documents. If you are applying for a skilled worker visa, it's crucial to provide proof of your work experience. This typically includes reference letters from past employers, detailing your job responsibilities and duration of employment. 7. Proof of funds. To ensure that you can support yourself and your family upon arrival in Canada, you will need to provide proof of funds. This can include bank statements, investment portfolios, or employment contracts demonstrating your financial stability. 8. Medical examination certificate. As a part of the immigration process, you will be required to undergo a medical examination by a designated panel physician. The results of this examination are necessary to ensure that you meet Canada's health and safety standards. 9. Police certificates. To assess your criminal history, you will typically need to provide police certificates from each country or territory you have lived in for 6 months or longer since the age of 18. These certificates help establish your character and admissibility. Additional supporting documents. There are several additional supporting documents that may be required depending on your specific circumstances. Marriage certificate. If you are immigrating with your spouse, you will need to provide a marriage certificate to prove your marital status. Birth certificates. When immigrating with children, you will need to include their birth certificates to establish their identities and eligibility for accompanying you to Canada. These are just some of the documents that may be required for Canadian immigration. It is important to carefully review the requirements for the specific immigration program you are applying for to ensure that you have all the necessary documents. Navigating the Canadian immigration process requires careful attention to detail and the gathering of essential documents. By familiarizing yourself with the specific requirements and diligently preparing all the necessary paperwork, you can increase your chances of a successful immigration application. Thank you for watching.